Imagine you've always seen AI as just a buzzword. Well, in this workshop, an expert's going to strongly demystify it all. You'll discover what AI truly is, unravel its rich history, and learn how you can harness its power even without knowing how to code. It's about moving past the hype to really apply AI, enhancing your daily work and elevating your strategic thinking. Let's start by addressing those AI myths head-on. The speaker shares a personal tale, a less than successful attempt to let AI craft a presentation. This story perfectly underscores a key truth. AI is not some magic box. It's a tool, folks, one that actually needs your guidance to work its best.
Tell you this presentation is not built by AI. I tried, tested. Doesn't work. Literally doesn't work. So what you have to do, you have to go to the basics, which means how you have to use AI is the question then. If AI doesn't do this, then what does AI do? Everybody talks about automation, everybody talks about it does it by itself. I just told you this presentation, I could not make it through AI.
Here's an eye-opener for you, the fundamental difference between human intelligence and AI. The speaker breaks it down. AI doesn't really think. Instead, it predicts the next most likely word or action. This can sometimes lead to what's called hallucination. It's a fascinating yet critical aspect of AI to grasp.
Yes, that's one of the things, which means it does what? Does it assess, or does it think, or does it guess?
Doesn't guess. Doesn't.
It can guess, it can go with the pattern, but it cannot think.
Yeah. Okay. Guess based on
Best guess,
On
the
initial.
closest guess, right? Now, how does that happen? Is with huge amount of content, right? Now, this is where power is, and this is where the problem is. If you understand. So if you're strong, yes, you have the strength. But if you do not have a logic, that in itself is your weakness. So these are some of the concepts that we will touch base today, right? You might notice sometimes it happens when you're giving a prompt and you get the result, it's something completely vague. Something probably and do it a check. We will do this test also today. You know, there's something called hallucination. We all understand that. The best one is AI. You can let AI do what you want, not the other way around.
Throw out the idea of needing to be an AI master. It's all about how effectively you can instruct it to handle those nuanced tasks. This part of the workshop goes into detail about how to truly get ROI from AI while smoothly navigating those typical corporate hurdles like IT and compliance.
Is the right thing, right? So the way you know AI, you think you're the AI master. The way she knows AI, she thinks she is the AI master. Now here's the good thing. AI works the way you want the AI to work, not the other way around. The way I'm going to do this, so if I search on my laptop and you search on your laptop, the same prompt, we're not going to cut. It'll be a completely different result, right? So it's not that anybody knows AI is better or more than you. It's about how good you are to use the AI, right? You can be a very good prompter, but that doesn't mean that you're able to get the right ROI from AI. A prompt in itself will not give you a result, right? How do you get your nuanced jobs done? Now there's a lot of issues that you guys, I know that it will come in the discussions also. Company doesn't allow. We don't have this system in the company. Compliance, due diligence, IT, right? Where data going out. How to cloud. Company doesn't allow. What we're going to touch is nothing to do with the outer layer of the company.
Now, let's confront the common fear of job replacement by AI. Here's a twist you might not expect. The real risk? It's not AI taking your job. It's your colleague, someone who knows how to harness AI like a pro. That's the real game changer here.
We've all heard about this thing saying if AI will replace us, right? AI can replace us. Now this is something that you guys don't need to understand. AI will not replace us unless we use it properly. AI will replace those who don't use AI. And that is true. It will happen.
Could you repeat that again?
AI will replace those who don't use AI.
Okay. I would say, yeah, not objective.
So if you don't use AI, then you are at risk. If you are practicing AI and you're improving yourself on it, then you're okay. It's like internet.
A participant raises an essential strategic question. Should your company build a custom software solution or go for an off-the-shelf option? This sparks a deep dive discussion into those tricky trade-offs, customization versus cost, and the long-term agility each option might offer.
My dilemma, let's say, is do I create something that's bespoke to me, okay, in which case I'll always be dependent on my third-party developer to help me run it, or do I buy something off the shelf that looks at it end-to-end and already has been built into it a level of scalability so that I can expand with it as I grow my business? Does that make sense?
Yes, it does, but you still need dependency on the third party in this.
In both situations,
Both
yes.
situations, yes.
But the level of customizing, for some reason, because of previous experiences, I have a reluctance to go down a heavily customized route.
That's the second option.
Yeah,
But the first
because
option is
I've got experiences, good and bad. That means that if I over customize something, because you can always over engineer something, as you will probably
that's
know.
the downside.
So it's about learning the balance between a level of customization and then confirming your own processes to it.
Yeah.
Whereas, and I have been exploring the view of saying, okay, well, let me look at something that's off the shelf, that has all the bells and whistles in it, and if to limit the amount of customization, what I will do is I will look at my own processes and see if I can change those to fit to be able to optimize what the system gives me. Does that make sense?
Here's a captivating analogy. AI model development is a bit like raising a child, but in reverse. They start with huge amounts of data, get fine-tuned for structure, and only then are taught manners. It's the inverse of human learning, isn't it? Fascinating approach, don't you think?
AI is the opposite. In a very simple word, baby born, what do? You teach them manners, ways to talk, don't do this, don't do that. Next stage is what? You fine-tune them, right? You give them the instructions. Okay, this is what you learned, you apply it there. This is what you learned, you eat like this. This is fine-tuning, right? And then once they have these two, then they collect data and then they store it in right places. How we have guided them? Opposite it. AI starts with a lot of data first, with no structure. It's unstructured data dumped inside. Now they go up. What is the middle part when on the child's journey? Fine-tuning. So they put data, then they reverse fine-tune. They structure it. Now you see where it is the opposite. But the concept is the same. Data, fine-tuning, manners. Now, this is the life-changing thing. It's only that top-down approach that brings human behavior, feeling in it. Down upwards, everything is the same except the feeling part, except the empathy part. But it's all the same. So if you want to look at AI, look at the way a kid is born or raised, flip it.
Get ready to witness something incredible, a real-time demo of white coding. Watch as the speaker uses an AI tool to instantly convert a plain text document into a dynamic web page. For non-coders aiming to produce professional content, this is a total game changer.
Who uses Gemini? Anyone? Not use Gemini? You better start using Gemini. Today, after I'm going to show you this, I can guarantee all of you will use it. So Gemini works something like this. Gemini is Google's, yeah. So all my presentations now go like this. I'm not a coder. I don't know anything about how to develop. It's just from text in an infographic view. What it does, it illustrates the user who's reading very seamlessly what I'm trying to articulate. This is a document which is worth of 5 pages. To read those 5 pages is going to take time.
Yeah.
You create the document. Let's do it. So this is the document, right?
Okay.
You go to create. You see what is it?
Audio.
Let's do a web.
What did you choose?
I choose web. So what it's going to do,
You uploaded the document or?
I made it. You can even upload. Make your document,
Okay.
upload it,
And then ask Gemini to give
then ask Gemini to make it a web page or an infographic.
What will it do?
Yeah, so it's doing its own coding. This is called vibe coding.
Coding.
This is called vibe coding.
Let's go deeper, beyond general AI, to dive into the world of specialized bots, or agents. We're talking about bots fine-tuned with specific marketing data. Discover why these are far more effective for marketing tasks than generalized tools, even ones like the standard ChatGPT.
Yeah.
It's the same. Agents
So
and bots.
agents and bots, right? Okay.
My
So
mistake, I should
you're
have
you're
fixed.
saying now that this spreadsheet that you give, these are specific bots,
Agents.
agents
Slash bots, yeah.
that are embedded within ChatGPT.
That is built.
That
Those are built.
built.
We developed.
Right. Okay.
You can develop.
Right. This is the bit where I'm struggling to get my head around.
Got it.
Right.
Got it.
So ChatGPT will give me an answer anyway. So
Mhm.
what's the advantage of having a bot? Does that make sense?
Yeah. 100%.
I'm just trying to get my head around
Good
what you're.
question. That's a good question. I'll tell you why. So AI, as I said, it works on data sets, right? So we have data.
Right.
And if we have so much data, we just junk it in, it should give me the result if I fine tune it, all of it. So I have destructured data. Nothing is structured inside.
Okay. That's your ChatGPT.
This is ChatGPT,
Right.
right? Now I make an agent. This is my bot or agent, right? This one is structured for one task only, assistance. It has a very clear instruction guideline of what to do if any user, let's say Zishan, wants an assistant, it will give the assistant's work. So what we did in this, as an office assistant, what is the job of an office assistant? The JD, the
Yeah.
job description,
Yeah.
that goes
Into what? Sorry.
the first agent.
And now, get ready to see AI transform into a genuine personal assistant. With tools like Martin, AI can seamlessly integrate into your daily routines. Just think, simple voice commands on WhatsApp that can set reminders and even send emails. It's like automating your everyday life. Pretty amazing, right?
Which is called Martin. Martin is a WhatsApp assistant, and it works with your Gmails as well. So it does. I love that one. You can actually just give a voice note. Martin, update my team. I'm not available for the meeting, and it does.
So, when it comes down to it, leveraging AI isn't about conquering complex technology. It's all about developing a strategic mindset. Use these powerful tools as an extension of your expertise, and you'll see how AI can truly enhance what you do.